it's Kenzie Ray here and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are making Galaxy Slime using the Elmer starter pack. Now this includes 3 bottles of glitter glue and a recipe, but it does not come with activator, which is contact solution and baking soda. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button below. I'm super excited, so why don't we just get started? The first step is to pour the entire bottle of glitter glue into the bowl. So, let's pour this. I love pink. It's very bright and vibrant. It's not wanting to come out. Okay, so I got all that I could out. And now it says the next step is to add half a tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. So I'm going to take my baking soda and my half a tablespoon, excuse me. And I'm going to put the thing in. Okay. And then it says mix thoroughly so that you don't have any clumps or anything. So. I'm going to mix this up. Trying to get all the baking soda mixed in. This is so pretty. I love this color. It's like bright pink, pop out in your face, and it's super glittery, which, you know, glitter is my favorite color. But if I had to choose an actual, like, second favorite color, it would probably be this color. So this is probably going to be my favorite slime out of the 3 I'm going to make. Okay, so now the next step is to add 1 1/4 tablespoon of contact solution. So I'm going to take my contact solution and I'm going to do 2 of these to make 1 and then a little bit in the next one to make a 4th. So pour this in. Okay, 1. 2, and then a little bit more. I didn't actually fill that up enough, so there we go. So, now it says just to stir, and it should start forming slime. So it's already clumping up, which is good. So, this is going to be a very pretty slime. And you're just going to keep stirring until it's all mixed in. I'm just using my hands to get it off the spoon because sometimes the slime will get stuck to the spoon and it won't mix very well. And I'm just going to go hands in because, you know, who doesn't like putting their hands directly into a sticky slime? And keep doing this until all of the contact solution is mixed in. So I'm going to get this slime off of the spoon. Okay. And I'm just going to keep doing this and mixing so that it can get mixed in to the contact solution because this has contact solution on it right now. So I'm going to mix it up to make a slime. This is so pretty. Look at how pretty it is. It's got really good glitter in it. It's got blue glitter in it, which I didn't know that they put, like, I thought whenever they made glitter glue, they put, like, silver and gold glitter in, but I didn't know they added blue to the pink glitter glue. But that's cool to know, so I'm going to get some more contact solution out of this bowl because the slime's still pretty sticky. So, I'm going to keep kneading this and kneading this so that all the contact solution gets mixed in. So then you can get the slime off of the sides of the bowl. And I'm trying to get it off, but it's kind of stubborn. So we're just going to pick it off the sides to add to the slime. Okay, we're going to move this bowl now that the slime is complete and put it on a plate to show you how pretty it is. So this is the slime, and then we're going to repeat the steps with the other two colors so that we can see where the final product is. Okay, so this slime is very pretty, and I've also never made a purple glitter glue slime. So this is my first time to make a glitter glue slime that's purple, and it's really pretty and super glittery. I really like this. I wasn't expecting it to be this type of purple. I thought if they didn't have a glitter glue, that it'd be more of a lighter purple. So this did surprise me, even though the bottle of glitter glue, the bottle of glitter glue was a dark purple. I just wasn't expecting it to be this vibrant and pretty. So I really like the slime. And so now we're going to move on to the next one, which is blue. Okay, now we're going to do the blue. So this slime is really pretty. It reminds me of the ocean, so I'm just going to keep kneading it because there is some solution in the bowl, but I'm just going to knead it so that it doesn't overactivate. But it is still sticky, so I'm going to keep adding that solution to it. This is super shiny and glittery and super pretty and bright. So I'm going to add some more solution to keep it from being sticky. And this was the last slime. So now we're going to move on to the mixing stage. Okay, so here are the 3 slimes, and now it is time to mix them to make the ultimate galaxy slime. So I'm going to start with the purple one, and then I'm going to put the pink one on top, and then the blue one on top of that one. And then now we're going to stretch it and put it together and twist. Okay, so here's the final product, and I think this is really pretty. It's purple and pink and blue, all my favorite colors, you know, and it's glittery, so that makes it even better. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a ton of fun making this video, and make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and click the subscribe button. Goodbye!